Take a ride in the 2016 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, air conditioning, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used Program. It's the smart choice.